I'm here recording from a new location of the stone giant in Montana. Now there's his face. You can see his left eye very clearly. And then his nose, mouth area. And then right there is his left foot sticking out of the ground. And that's the right foot. There's really not much left of it. It's been pretty well eroded away. Yeah, the big toe and the next two toes of what I think is a giant ape. Man, that face is so realistic. The eyeball, it's got like the pupil, retina, and then it's got a hairline just like an ape does today. You can see just a bit above the eye, there's a roundish hairline on it. And then the toes are just like an ape's as well, where the big toe kind of goes off at a 90, and then the next big toe, the pointer toe, is, kind of angled off, just like an ape today. I'm not sure what happened to that foot there, but. And it's 0.76 miles, 3/4 of a mile tall from the big toe to the forehead of the giant. Yep. The stone giant in Montana.